Hi everyone, Rana sir is here. Welcome to our Rana sir educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is reflection of light. In this topic, I will explain its concept and then I will solve some numericals on this topic. So you concentrate here from starting to end to develop your knowledge. Simultaneously, you also like this video and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends, and students so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Simultaneously, you also subscribe this educational channel more and more. Okay, student. So you concentrate here. I am going to start this video. Okay. So this is the class 10th physics. It is based on English medium and also in Hindi medium. First of all, I will explain its concept in English and then I will translate its concept and solution of this question in Hindi. So students who are reading in English medium, those students can understand clearly, and also though after some time we will also translate all those informations into Hindi, so students who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those students can understand its solution in detail. And now I am going to start to explain it. It is based on NCRT pattern. I will say this is based on NCRT pattern. So this pattern we have to follow because it has integrity. Okay, now first of all I will explain about the concept of reflection of light. So there are two types of mirror. One is the plane mirror and other is the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is also divided into two parts. One part is concave mirror and other is convex mirror. Now I am going to explain each and every concept in detail so your concept you will have clear in your mind. So any question, any type of question can be asked which is related to mirror, that is plane mirror or convex mirror or concave mirror, so you can easily solve the question. Okay, so you concentrate here. I am going to explain its theory. First is the mirror. I have explained about the concept of mirror. Mirror, it is also called in Hindi, that is darpan. It is divided into two parts. One is the plane mirror. Plane mirror. It is also called samtal darpan. Samtal darpan. So I have written here plane mirror, that is samtal darpan. Its application I will also describe with you so you can have clear concept of it. So second I have to tell here spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. This is the spherical mirror. spherical mirror. It is called गोलीय दर्पण. गोलीय दर्पण. It is called spherical mirror, that is गोलीय दर्पण. First of all, spherical mirror is divided into two parts. One is the concave mirror and other is the convex mirror. Convex mirror I have to write here clearly. So one mirror I have to tell concave mirror. Concave mirror, mirror. This is the concave mirror. And second is the convex mirror. Convex mirror. Second is the convex mirror. First is the concave mirror and second is the convex mirror. In हिंदी concave mirror को अवतल दर्पण कहा जाता है और convex mirror को उत्तल दर्पण कहा जाता है. So I am going to write its name. This is the अवतल दर्पण. अवतल दर्पण. अवतल दर्पण. Here I have to write concave mirror and this is the उत्तल दर्पण. उत्तल दर्पण. Now its application I have to tell you in detail. And after explaining all information of the reflection of light, and then I will translate all those information into Hindi. So students who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those students can understand its concept in detail. And any question can be asked, that question can be solved by each and every student clearly, because concept will be cleared by this way. Okay. Mirror has two parts. One is the plane mirror and other is the spherical mirror. In इस प्लेन मिरर आई हैव टू टेल इन हिंदी समतल दर्पण एंड इस इन स्फेरिकल मिरर that is called गोलीय दर्पण and it is divided into two parts. One is the concave mirror and other is the convex mirror. Now in the case of concave mirror, that is the अवतल दर्पण, and in the case of convex mirror, that is the उत्तल दर्पण. Okay, formation of the mirror I have explained here. Now I am going to explain its application. Now plane mirror, that is called in Hindi समतल दर्पण. It is used in our home for looking face. समतल दर्पण को हम यूज करते हैं घरों में चेहरा को देखने के लिए. That is called the plane mirror. And spherical mirror, that is spherical mirror that is 3 dimension, and plane mirror that is existing in 2 dimension. But spherical mirror that is existing in 3 dimension, it is divided into two part. One is the concave mirror and other is the concave mirror and other is the convex mirror. Okay, concave mirror that is called अवतल दर्पण और convex mirror that is called उत्तल दर्पण. तो spherical mirror that is used in vehicle like bus, truck, railway and so on for looking the information of the back side of the vehicle. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट जो हिंदी मीडियम से स्टडी कर रहे हैं क्लास 12 यूपी बोर्ड में, तो उनके लिए ये इन्फॉर्मेशन जो होता है हम हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करें ताकि वो डिटेल में इसके बारे में समझ सकें। क्योंकि मिरर को हम हिंदी में दर्पण के नाम से जानते हैं। ये 2 तरह के मिरर होते हैं, एक जो होता है समतल दर्पण होता है जिसको प्लेन मिरर के नाम से जानते हैं, दूसरा जो होता है गोलीय दर्पण होता है जो स्फेरिकल मिरर होता है। तो हम प्लेन मिरर के बारे में बात करेंगे जब हम घरों में अपने चेहरे को देखने के लिए, उसी को हम समतल दर्पण या प्लेन मिरर कहते हैं। इसमें जो होता है ये 2D में एग्जिस्ट करता है, ये 2D में होता है, 2D 2 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री में होता है, और ये जो होता है 3D में होता है, ये 3D होता है। ये जो होता है चेहरा को देखने के लिए यूज करते हैं, इसको प्लेन मिरर कहते हैं। स्फेरिकल मिरर जो गोलीय दर्पण होता है, ये व्हीकल में यूज किया जाता है। व्हीकल जो होता है चाहे बस हो गया, ट्रक हो गया, रेलवे हो गया, या बड़े-बड़े व्हीकल में यूज करते हैं। उस व्हीकल के बैक साइड की इन्फॉर्मेशन को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए, देखने के लिए। तो अब इसको हम 2 तरीके से डिवाइड करते हैं। एक जो होता है कनकेव मिरर होता है, दूसरा कन्वेक्स मिरर होता है। कनकेव मिरर को अवतल दर्पण के नाम से जानते हैं, जो कन्वेक्स मिरर जो होता है उत्तल दर्पण के नाम से जानते हैं। हम कैसे इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे कि मिरर जो होता है कनकेव मिरर है मिरर, तो यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी हम पहले एक्सप्लेन कर दिए कि जो स्फेरिकल मिरर होता है वो 3D एक 3D हो गया। मैंने एक बॉल लिया और इसको 2 पार्ट में कट कर दिए। 2 पार्ट में कट करेंगे तो एक पार्ट ऐसे एक पार्ट को ऐसे ले लेंगे, उसका हाफ पोर्शन जो होता है ऐसे हो गया, और इसका एक पार्ट जो होता है इस तरीके का हो गया। इसमें 2 पार्ट हुआ। ये स्फेरिकल मिरर में 2 पार्ट हुए। एक इस स्फेरिकल मिरर को कट किए तो एक पार्ट ये और दूसरा पार्ट, इस पार्ट को यहाँ पर रखे और इस पार्ट को हमने यहाँ पर रखे। अब क्या होता है, उस दर्पण के बाहरी वाले पोर्शन पर रेड ऑक्साइड का लेप लगा देते हैं। बाहरी वाले पोर्शन पर रेड ऑक्साइड का लेप लगाएंगे तो जब प्रकाश की किरण जो होता है इस दर्पण पर पड़ेगा तो दर्पण से जो होता है वह रिफ्लेक्ट होता है। जब प्रकाश की किरण जो दर्पण से पड़ता है तो दर्पण से रिफ्लेक्ट होता है। रिफ्लेक्ट होकर इसमें जो होता है हम देखते हैं एक फोकस होता है, दूसरे को हम सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर कहते हैं, सी से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। तो इस केस में अब इसको हम अवतल दर्पण कहेंगे। अवतल दर्पण में जो होता है इमेज में ऑब्जेक्ट को जो होता है 6 लोकेशन पर रखा जाता है। ऑब्जेक्ट को हम 6 लोकेशन पर रखते हैं। लेकिन उत्तल दर्पण के केस में जो होता है अगर रेड ऑक्साइड का लेप जो होता है अंदर वाले पोर्शन से करते हैं तो उस केस में हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक फोकस होगा और उसके ठीक सेम दूरी पर जो होता है सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, जिसको वक्रता केंद्र कहते हैं। तो इस केस में ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है हम 2 लोकेशन पर रखते हैं। एक तो इन्फिनिटी पर रखते हैं और दूसरे को जो होता है उस कनकेव जो कन्वेक्स मिरर होता है, जो कन्वेक्स मिरर है उसके नज़दीक में रखते हैं। तो इस केस में 2 तरीके का इमेज फॉर्म होता है, लेकिन इस केस में जो होता है 6 तरह का इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होता है। ओके, 1 बाय 1 हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे डिटेल में। लेकिन हम कन्वेक्स मिरर जो हमने एक क्वेश्चन को लिखा है कन्वेक्स मिरर से रिलेटेड है, तो कन्वेक्स मिरर के कंसेप्ट को हम डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। इसलिए हमें माइंड में ये कंसेप्ट डेवलप हो गया कि मिरर 2 ही तरह के होते हैं, एक प्लेन मिरर होता है, दूसरा स्फेरिकल मिरर होता है। फर्दर इस स्फेरिकल मिरर को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं, एक कन्वेक्स मिरर होता है, दूसरा कनकेव मिरर होता है। कनकेव मिरर का डायग्राम इस तरीके से होता है और कन्वेक्स मिरर का डायग्राम इस तरीके से होता है। इसका फॉर्मेशन कोई एक स्फीयर लेते हैं, उसके 2 पार्ट में कट कर देते हैं। एक उभरे वाले पार्ट को जो होता है हम अवतल दर्पण कहेंगे, जिसको कन्वेक्स मिरर कनकेव मिरर कहेंगे, और जो अंदर से पचका हुआ वाला भाग होगा, जो अंदर साइड से हम लेप लगाएंगे, रेड ऑक्साइड का लेप लगाएंगे, उसको जो होता है कन्वेक्स मिरर के नाम से जानते हैं, जो हिंदी में उत्तल दर्पण के नाम से हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। ओके, तो हम कन्वेक्स मिरर को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे डिटेल में, और इस पर जो होता है इस पर कन्वेक्स मिरर पर हमने एक न्यूमेरिकल को नोट किया है। इस न्यूमेरिकल को जो होता है, इस कन्वेक्स मिरर के कंसेप्ट पर हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप दैट you are understanding the concept of mirror in detail, because mirror has only two form. One is the plane mirror and other is the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is also divided into two parts. One is the concave mirror and other is the convex mirror. Okay, now the concept of convex mirror I will explain in detail, and then I will solve the written question in convex mirror. Okay, so you concentrate here. I am going to give a solution. Okay dears, okay, now I am going to erase. First of all, I am going to read the question, and after reading the question, I will write the informations which are given in the question, and then I will draw its diagram, and I will also find the requirement of the question, that is the right way. Okay dear student, you concentrate here. I am going to read question, and then I will write all informations which are given in the question, and then I will use the concept of convex mirror to solve this question. Okay, so you concentrate here. An object 5 centimeter in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. So mirror I have to highlight here. Convex mirror of radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. This is the radius of curvature of the convex mirror. Find the position of the image. This is one question. Its nature. This is the second question, and also its size. So three informations I have to get from the question. So convex mirror is available here. So we have to write here first of all solution, and given that what is the information that is given, I have to write here. So here I will write given that. So information that is given I have to write here in detail. So an object 5 centimeter in length, that is the height of the object that is given here, 5 centimeter. Here I have written symbol HO. O stands for object and H stands for height. Height of the object. HO I have to written. O is the surface, so HO, that is height of the object. O means object and H means height. Height of the object, that is 5 centimeter. That is given here. Now is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. That is the value of U is given, that is 20 centimeter. Here 20 centimeter. Here written 20 centimeter from the convex mirror of the radius of curvature, that is R. The value of R, that is given here 30 centimeter. So we have to write here 30 centimeter properly. After writing 30 centimeter, then we have to find the position of the image, that is HI. We have to find the value of HI. We have to find the value of a. I stands for image and H stands for height. Height of the image, image of the height. I will say image of the height. We have to find. Now nature. We have to find its nature. Nature can be real or virtual. So according to the solution of the question, we will decide the nature of the question, nature of the image, and also we have to find the size. What is the size of the image? We have to also find the size of the image. So all these to information size. I will also find all these information from the diagram. So I'm going to draw here convex mirror. So this is the mirror. I will say this is the convex mirror, and I will say this is the principal axis. This axis I will say principal axis. Principal, principal axis. I will say this is the principal axis. Now here I will say this is the focus, and focus is also written with F. So here I am writing F, that is focus. Now here I will say the center of curvature, that is written with C, center of curvature. Now one object which is available 20 centimeter from the convex mirror, its name I have to write here, convex mirror. Convex mirror. This is the convex mirror. So convex mirror I have written there. Now here I will draw the intersection of convex mirror and the principal axis. I will say that is the optical center, and it is written with O. So I will draw here y axis. Here I will say this is the y axis. I will say this is the y axis. So properly I have to write here y axis, so each and every student can understand it easily. Y axis. This is the y axis, and here I will say this principal axis is also called x axis. X axis. I am writing the convention of the parameter. Here parameter I have to write here HOURHI. All these are the parameters. So here we have I have contained the object. I have contained the object 20 meter from the convex mirror. So I have to take an U at this point, and height of the, this is the height of the object HO, that is given in the question. Here I have written 5 centimeter. So this height is 5 centimeter. I have written here 5 centimeter. Now here I am throwing a light. A ray is going from the object to the mirror. It is reflected. It is reflected this direction, because here there is a paint of red oxide. It is not go this side, but I will imagine if this paint is will not present, so it will go with focus, and other ray will go through center of curvature. Other ray will go through center of curvature, so that ray will return back. So image will be formed at this distance. So this is the length of image. This is the length of image from the optical center of the convex mirror. And so this distance I will say this is the object length from the center of the convex mirror. So this length from the center of the convex mirror in the left hand side, I will take minus sign, and from the center of the convex mirror on the right hand side I will take positive sign, and from the center of the convex mirror to positive y-axis I will take positive sign, and below from the center of the convex mirror to the negative y direction I will take minus sign. Therefore, according to the sign convention, I have to put here length of the object from the convex mirror, that will be minus 20 centimeter. Okay, now we have to calculate the size. Size means size of the image, and also position of the image, and nature of the image I have to get in detail. Okay student, now I am going to use the mirror formula to calculate the position of the image. Okay, after calculating the position of the image, then we will find the height of the image, because this is the height of the object and this is the height of the image. So this height of the image I have to calculate, and this length of the image I have to calculate, and then I will tell what will be its nature, because its nature will be as it is virtual, because image is formed behind of the mirror, behind of the mirror. So all the information according to the figure, yeah, according to the diagram I have to elaborate in detail. Okay, now I am going to use the mirror formula. From the mirror formula, here I will write from the mirror formula, mirror formula from the mirror formula. Here I am going to write from the mirror formula. From the mirror formula I have to write here 1 by f, which is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Now the value of u, v and f I have to substitute here. So I will say this is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. In equation number 1, I will substitute the value of u, v and f. So 1 by f. So value of f I have to put here 15. The value of v I have to put here plus 1 divided by minus 20. Now further I will simplify 1 by 15, which is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 20. So further I will simplify. I will get the value of 1 by v, which is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So I will take here LCM of 15 into 20. So I will multiply 1 into 20 plus 1 into 15. So after simplifying I will say 20 plus 15. Here I will say 20 plus 15 divided by 15 into 20. This is the value of 1 by v. Okay, this is the value of 1 by v. So here I have written given that from the mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, and I have written here this is the equation number 1. Now I have to substitute the value of u, v and f from the diagram. The value of u from the center of the convex mirror in the left hand side I will take negative sign, and from the center of convex mirror from the center of convex mirror to the right hand side, I will take positive sign, and from the center of convex mirror to the positive y-axis I will take positive sign, and in negative axis I have to take negative sign. Okay, so all this sign convention I have to use in formula to get the actual value of the position of the image. Okay, now in the equation number 1 I have to substitute the value of u, v and f. After substituting, and I have simplified, and after simplified I have got this value 1 by f, which is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Now further I have to take the LCM of 15 and 20 in this form, and then I will do cross multiplication. 1 into 20 I have written here, plus 1 into 15 I have written here. So after simplification I have written all these information. So further I can put here 15 15 plus 20, that will be 35, and divided by 15 into 20. I can write here properly. Okay, now further all these informations I will also translate into Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, those student can also understand this concept in detail. Okay, now इस क्वेश्चन को हमने स्टडी पढ़ा है, पढ़ने के बाद इस क्वेश्चन को हमने पढ़ा है, पढ़ने के बाद इस क्वेश्चन में जितने भी पैरामीटर्स दिए गए, जितने भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिए गए, उन सारे इंफॉर्मेशन को हमने लिखा है, और लिखने के बाद हमने, चूँकि एक कन्वेक्स मिरर है, अगर कनकेव मिरर भी रहेगा तो यही फार्मूला होगा। तो उसका सिचुएशन जो होता है वो डिपेंड करेगा एफ कहाँ पे है, बी कहाँ पे है, यू कहाँ पे है। और इसमें जो होता है कन्वेक्स मिरर कहा गया कि इसका मतलब होता है ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम नेगेटिव साइन लेंगे, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से राइट हैंड साइड में पॉजिटिव साइन लेंगे, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से ऊपर हम पॉजिटिव साइन लेंगे और नीचे जो होता है निगेटिव साइन लेंगे। ओके, तो हमने u का वैल्यू जो होता है -20 यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, v का वैल्यू दिया है, और हम जानते हैं सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर जो होता है यह बराबर होता है r/2। यह फार्मूला, दिस फार्मूला इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज टू रिमेंबर इट क्लियरली। f इज इक्वल टू होता है f इज इक्वल टू होता है एफ इज इक्वल टू होता है r/2। आर जो होता है रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर होता है, जिसको हिंदी में हम वक्रता केंद्र कहते हैं। एफ जो होता है फोकल डिस्टेंस होता है, जिसको हम फोकस कहते हैं। फोकस जो होता है r/2 होता है। तो आर का वैल्यू जो होता है 30 डिग्री दिया गया है, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे 15 सेंटीमीटर आएगा, 15 रख दिए। इसको सिंप्लीफाई किए तो 1/v का वैल्यू जो होता है 35/15 इंटू 20 आया। ओके स्टूडेंट, I hope that you are understanding all these informations clearly। अब हम इस डेटा को हम इरेज करेंगे और फर्दर अपने कैलकुलेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। तो हमने ऑब्टेन किया 1/v इज इक्वल टू 35 डिवाइडेड बाई 15 इंटू 20। इसको 5 से कट करें, 5 7 जा 35, 5 3 जा 15। इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 60, 23 जा 60। इसलिए 1/v इज इक्वल टू 7 डिवाइडेड बाई 60। इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करते हैं। आफ्टर डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन वी कैन राइट v इज इक्वल टू 60 डिवाइडेड बाई 7। 7 8 is 56। Now I will put here point 7 35 5 7 7 ja 47. So the value of V I have got here 8.57 centimeter. This is the answer, one answer. This is the position of the image. This is the position of the image I have got here. Okay. So student who are reading in Hindi medium, those student can understand this concept in detail. Okay. Now after simplifying, I have got the value of V which is equal to 8.75 centimeter. This is the length of the image from the center of the convex mirror to the image. This length image I have got here. So this length I have to say this length is the image length and its value is 8.75 centimeter. That is, I will write this portion. I am going to erase. I can write image is formed. Here I will write information. Image is formed at 8.57 centimeter. Image is formed at 8.5 centimeter from convex mirror. From convex mirror. From convex mirror. Okay, this is very important. Here image is formed at 8.757 centimeter. 8.57 centimeter from here I will write properly from convex mirror. Okay, so all these information I will also translate into Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, those student can also understand it these clearly. Image is formed. Image को बनाया जाता है 8.57 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द कन्वेक्स मिरर. उत्तर दर्पण से 8.57 सेंटीमीटर दूर बनाया जाता है. तो यह हमारा उत्तर दर्पण है. इस उत्तर दर्पण के सेंटर से 8.57 सेंटीमीटर दूरी पर जो होता है इमेज बन रहा है. तो यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का जो डिस्टेंस होता है उसी डिस्टेंस को जो होता है इमेज डिस्टेंस कहेंगे. ओके, इमेज डिस्टेंस कहेंगे. सो आई होप दैट each and every student who are reading in CBSE board and also those students who are reading in UP board, in UP Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those students can understand its concept in detail. Okay, if you are getting any trouble, if you are getting any query related to this topic, so you write your information in the comment section and then you send. After sending, I will read your query and then I will give the appropriate solution positively. Okay, so you follow it positively. Now this is the one answer of this question, that is the position of image. Now next we have to also find size of the image and then we have to also explain nature of the image. Nature of the image in the from the figure, from the diagram I have to explain. That is the erect and that is the small of the object height. So it is small, that is also called diminished. It is diminished and erect I have tell it is erected, and I will also say it is opposite side of the, yeah, behind of the image, behind of the mirror. I will say that is the behind of the mirror, that is its nature. So all information I will explain. First of all, I have to calculate the size of the image. Okay, student, हम I will also translate all these informations into Hindi, so student who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those student can also understand its concept in detail. हम देख रहे हैं कि जब ऑब्जेक्ट को 20 सेंटीमीटर की दूरी पर रखा गया है, इस ऑब्जेक्ट की जो हाइट है 5 सेंटीमीटर है, जब यहाँ से एक रे जो होता है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के समानांतर जाता है, तो समानांतर जाने के साथ साथ जब वो मिरर से टकराएगा, टकराने के बाद दूसरे साइड में जो होता है रेड ऑक्साइड का लेप हुआ पेंट किया गया, तो उस साइड से तो रेड किरण जो होता है पास नहीं करेगा, यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा। तो रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ, हमने सपोज किया, मान लिया, इमेजिन किया अगर ये पेंट नहीं हुआ होता तो ये जो यहाँ से टकराता और उस कन्वेक्स उत्तर दर्पण के फोकस से वो पास होता। मैंने ये इमेजिन किया। उसके बाद से दूसरे रे को जो दूसरे किरण को जो होता है उस ऑब्जेक्ट से हमने उस ऑब्जेक्ट से निकाला और उस मिरर से इंटरसेक्ट कराया। इंटरसेक्ट कराने के बाद से मैंने इमेजिन किया कि अगर वह दूसरे साइड में जो होता है रेड ऑक्साइड का लेप नहीं लगा है तो वह जो होता है वक्रता केंद्र से होकर पास करेगा। तो ये दोनों रे जो होता है फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में किसी पॉइंट पर जो होता है इंटरसेक्ट करेगा, तो हमारा इमेज वहाँ पर फॉर्म होगा। इसलिए वर्चुअल इमेज होगा, क्योंकि ये काल्पनिक, ये वर्चुअल इमेज होगा। ओके, लेकिन ये इरेक्ट जो होता है ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट भी ऊपर है और इमेज की हाइट ऊपर, इसलिए ये सीधा बन रहा है। इसलिए सीधा को इंग्लिश में इरेक्ट कहेंगे और इरेक्ट कहेंगे, तो इसलिए हम कहेंगे तो ये तो इमेज जो होता है डिमिनिश्ड बन रहा है और डिमिनिश के साथ साथ जो होता है वर्चुअल बन रहा है, डिमिनिश्ड बन रहा है और वर्चुअल बन रहा है। सो दीज आर द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज वर्चुअल और diminished. So I will also explain its concept mathematically, so you concentrate here. So now I am going to erase this solution of this question, and then I will calculate the height of the image from magnification by mirror, from magnification by mirror formula, magnification by mirror formula. From magnification by mirror formula, I know EM which is equal to HI divided by HO, which is equal to minus V divided by U. So this is the formula I have to use for solving it. Okay, now height of the object is given, the length of the mirror image is also I have got here 8.57, and the value of U I know that is given here 20 centimeter. Okay, so all value I have to substitute. In other words, this value I can say this value V, which is equal to 60 divided by 7 centimeter. I have to use it here. Okay, so HI, this one HO that is given here 5 centimeter, so I will put its value 5, which is equal to minus here value of V, that is 60 by 7, 60 by 7, go the value of U is available here -20. So I will put here -20. Now for the minus and minus it will be plus, that is 60 divided by 7 into 20. 23 ja. So here I have to write HI divided by 5 is equal to this much. So HI, but 5 which is equal to 3 divided by 7. Okay. Now further I am going to erase this one, and after erasing I will also explain all the informations in detail. So here I will write HI divided by 5 which is equal to, on numerator is 3 and on denominator is 7. I will do here cross multiplication. HI which is equal to 5 into 3 divided by 7. I will write here 5 3 just 15 divided by 7. So after division I will say 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7, 7 7 4 is 28 centimeter. So I have got the value of HI, that is the height of the image, which is equal to 2.174 centimeter. Okay, so this is the second answer. This is the second answer of first question. Okay, so I have used here from magnification by mirror formula. M is equal to HI but HO, which is equal to minus V divided by U, where M is also known as magnification and H stands for image height, I means image, H means height, image height, O means object, H means height, object height, which is equal to minus V divided by U. V is the image of the image, length of the image from center of the convex mirror. V is the image, length of the image, and O is the length of the object. Both are from the center of the mirror, from the center of the mirrors. So in this formula I have substituted the value of height of the object and the length of the image and length of the object, and then I have simplified here, and after simplifying I have got the value of HI which is equal to 2.14 centimeter. Okay, this is the height of the image. Height of the image in the figure I have to tell this length is called height of the image. This length is the height of the image, which is minimum with respect to the height of the object. Therefore I have to say image is diminished, and at a distance I have calculated, that is 8.57 centimeter from the center of the convex mirror. Okay, now its image, its nature I have to explain. Its nature will be virtual. But virtual and erect. Its nature will be erect and virtual, and length of the image will be 2.14 centimeter, that is diminished. Okay student, so all these informations I will also explain in Hindi. So I have to write its nature of the image. nature of the image I have to explain. So first of all, I am going to explain this portion and this portion, and then I will erase. I will erase all these informations, and then I will explain each and every topic, that is the position of the image, its nature, and also its size. I will explain in detail. Okay, so first of all, I am going to translate into Hindi. So student who are reading in Hindi medium, that is in UP board, those student can understand its concept in detail. Okay, तो यहाँ पर मैग्नीफिकेशन के फार्मूला से मिरर का जो मैग्नीफिकेशन फार्मूला होता है, एम इज इक्वल टू एच आई बटे एच ओ इज इक्वल टू माइनस वी बटे यू। एच आई जो होता है इमेज ऑफ द हाइट होता है, जो इमेज का हिंदी होता है प्रतिबिंब। प्रतिबिंब का जो हाइट होता है उस हाइट बटे ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट होता है वो हाइट। तो ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट दिया गया है, हमें क्वेश्चन में जो होता है इमेज प्रतिबिंब की हाइट को कैलकुलेट करना, माइनस वी डिवाइडेड बाई यू। वी जो होता है लेंथ ऑफ द इमेज होता है, प्रतिबिंब का लेंथ होता है मिरर के सेंटर से, और वो जो होता है वस्तु की लंबाई होती है, वस्तु की दूरी होती है। यू जो होता है वस्तु की दूरी होती है जो मिरर के सेंटर से। तो भी का वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट किया है कि 60/7 सेंटीमीटर आया था। भी का वैल्यू यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, यू का वैल्यू दिया गया है यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में -20 सेंटीमीटर, उसके वैल्यू को यहाँ पर रखे और सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद से हम एच आई का मीनिंग ये होता है हाइट ऑफ द इमेज होता है। इमेज का हाइट जो होता है 2.14 सेंटीमीटर। ये वस्तु का हाइट है उस हाइट से कम है, छोटा है, इसलिए हम कहेंगे यह डिमिनिश्ड बना। और ये इसका हेड और वस्तु का हेड एक ही साइड में है, इसलिए इरेक्ट सीधा बना। और इसके नेचर के बारे में बातचीत करेंगे तो यह जो होता है इस जो कन्वेक्स मिरर है, कन्वेक्स मिरर के पीछे बना है। जब पीछे बनता है तो वर्चुअल होता है, उसका इसका नेचर क्या होगा, वर्चुअल होगा, डिमिनिश्ड होगा, इरेक्ट होगा और वर्चुअल होगा। ओके, सो ऑल दोज इंफॉर्मेशंस आई विल एक्सप्लेन हियर इन डिटेल। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू erase it, and after erasing all the required information I will write, and then one times I will explain in Hindi and also in Hindi, and then I will uh, terminate the communication with you. So I am going to erase, and after erasing I will write the information. Now first information, the value of V I have got here 60 divided by 7 centimeter, and the value of I have got here 2.14 centimeter. 2.14 centimeter I have got. Now its nature according to the diagram I have to write. So one answer is this one, second answer is this one, and third answer I have to explain. Image is formed, image is formed, image is formed at 2.14 centimeter behind of the mirror. Behind of the convex mirror. Convex mirror. It is erect and virtual. It is erect and virtual in nature, and virtual in nature. Virtual in nature. It is erect and virtual in nature. This is the third answer of this question. So all these informations I have also got, and its diagram I have drawn here. Its diagram I have drawn here. Okay. So one time I am going to explain completely. Now there is a convex mirror and height of the object is given in the question 5 centimeter, and the length of the object that is also given here 20 centimeter, but I have taken sign convention from the center of the mirror. In the left hand side I have taken minus sign, and on the right hand side I have considered plus sign. Okay. Now center of the curvature is given in this question. Center of curvature, that is also called Bakarta Kendra, that is given in the question 30 centimeter. So I know relationship between focus and also radius of curvature, that is as f is equal to r divided by 2. So after using this formula I have got the value of f, and then I have substituted the value of f and the value of u in the mirror formula, and after simplifying I got the value of image length, that is v. The value of v I have got here 60 divided by 7 centimeter. Okay. Now next I have got the value of image of the height of the image. So next point I have got height of the image, that is also known as by using the formula, that is magnification by the mirror formula. So in that formula I know m is equal to hi divided by ho, which is equal to minus b divided by u. So after substituting the value of u, v and f, ho, and then I have got the value of hi, that is the image height, that is equal to here 2.14 centimeter. So I have got this one. Now next I have to write the nature of the formula, nature of the convex mirror according to the given information. So I have got nature of the convex mirror will be virtual 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 in nature. I have got virtual in nature. So image will be erect because the head of the image is upward, and also head of the object is upward, and head of the image is also upward. It means that image will be erect, but it will be behind of the convex mirror, because in the right hand side I have done here left red oxide left. So any ray which is passing from this point to mirror, it is reflecting, but I have imagined here, so it is going through focus, and other ray which is passing through center of curvature, it is also intersecting the line at this point. I will say this point, B. Here I am saying this point B, and this point will be B dash. This point will be B dash. This point will be the B and B dash. So at this point it is intersecting. So I will say image is erect and virtual. So these are the informations of the given question. If you are getting uh, good knowledge about this, so you like this live video, and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic. That is this point. And also, if you are getting any trouble, yeah, any query in this solution, so you write your query in the comment section and then positively you send. After sending, I will read that, will analyze your query, and then I will give the positive solution of your question in details. Okay student, thank you for watching this live video. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet with you in next video. Jai Hind, Rana sir.